But still surprised, y'all guys. Don't make me and tell you say me not surprised. I am still surprised.
Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. Yeah man, you know it's Damien. You know today our anniversary. Yeah, so me leave Raven Hayad with the intentions me go fix the car because we have a lot of stress and everything powder, right? So fridge broke down, fridge stopped work, everything. So me I look around fridge. Yeah, so for our anniversary, this is a big one, yeah. Yeah man. Yes. So the fridge, guys. Yeah. I surprised everyone with the fridge. So guys, can't really make the yeah, I can't really make the video inside here because the company don't allow it. So guys, stay tuned and see what I go. Alright guys. Yeah, so with the back of yard now, you know? Yeah, so my plan fail. The surprise fail. That's something I like the surprises, you know, because yeah, my surprise fail. Yeah man, so I'm in the back of yard now. Fridge reach and delivery man them come. Fridge now in our house. Everything, yeah. So what happened now? Raven go answer the phone when the delivery man them call and say so she know say fridge a come. So she not surprised. But anyways, me try. Yeah
Guys,
man.
me still surprised. Me still surprised, y'all guys. Don't make me and tell you say me not surprised. I am still surprised.
It's surprised me look for more than that. Yeah, me kinda look for more than that. But yeah, she says she's surprised because look how my guys have. Looking like a madman.
Come here, I wonder why you left your house so.
Yeah, because me don't want to know nothing about this. I'm look, me just go now a little marine now like dirty shots and me go sub it. Me never go so I sub it. And can me say the if yeah, you say to me it feel cause
You know feel.
I know my plan not go through as how me want to go through, right?
But I know you know feel, still not feel.
You no
Still
feel.
surprised.
Alright. So unbox. Take you out, man. See what your fridge look like.
Tell us if we can unbox anything.
Alright guys, so she unbox the fridge. Yeah.
Come on, Lee. Tell us if we can unbox anything.
I mean everybody can unbox things. Huh?
Guys, I'm trying nothing here.
Alright guys, so yeah, so we unbox the fridge.
Yes, guys. I am surprised and I am excited. Even though they may not say I'm not surprised. I'm surprised. I am grateful, appreciative. Yes.
Yeah, but my plan failed. Even though if she say she surprised, my plan failed and that's it. The plan, I know so many planning. I wasn't planning it like that,
How
guys.
you not planning?
You never know nothing until it come.
Guys, you bring your phone, come give me. Phone when you say if you no answer, I no hit me answer.
No, but you asking phone.
Yeah, but you say if you don't answer the 1 year, the next one man will call you.
Then
A different phone me answer.
the man wrong one, the man.
Well, I know my fault.
Huh?
I know my fault.
I the wrong one, the man call.
No, leave it, sir.
Alright guys, so you know our anniversary present, you know, unbox it. Pull out. Leave it very
Maybe
nice.
it's excited.
Yeah, very nice.
Guys, I wonder if we can see your women are gone. That's who shot and can't see you.
Guys, here Rayman. Yeah. So Rayman, yeah, I'm gonna make sure Rayman yeah.
Come here, me, come.
Come Rayman, come. Jump.
So guys, they me a week, you know, so I mean I do all that work. You have to pull your heart more in here. So yes guys, this is it. Unboxing of our new anniversary present. Well, I'm mine. I'm mine.
Yeah.
You're excited?
Place all this cash on, you know?
Alright, turn it around now. So yes, guys.
It look bigger when time in when me see. Yeah, so
This is it. It's nice. It's a nice size.
oh yeah, nice family size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice size, guys.
Really.
With a water filter. Now Remel is going to play with this. What you doing, sir? What up? It's up there on a Remel room.
Yeah, no, oh no.
So yes, guys, as you can see,
Raymond.
the house is all messy.
Yeah, Remian want to try mash up this something. So Remian,
Does not work.
what's not work, Remian? How many go care about?
Sorry, guys, they man go screw on the handles.
Yeah man, so now go put on the angle them, you know? Yeah. But look like as much anger me gets up.
Down because you're not supposed to block the door from open. I tell him say there's no way yourself to set because you can't block the door from open. Yes, me a handy woman already, you don't need no handy woman. I'm already handy woman.
I check me one ticker guys because
guys look, you have to take off back the piece here.
I told me want the handy woman to come, that's why me do it so.
But the handy woman can't come
Eh?
in.
Why?
Me already a handy woman.
Hmm?
So me tell her if you do it to set you wrong. Let's see if you must do the one here wrong.
I know we not do it, right?
Oh.
Hmm?
But I pop up here, you know. Okay, it look like.
You look fragile, not true? Then why they couldn't put on it? Answer any come.
Yeah.
Hmm? It's like
And
it.
then pop up, you will not have to take it.
Mm-hmm. Then give me some pop up now.
See, very fragile.
Yeah. But anyway, it's done though, you know?
Done.
Yeah.
So, yeah, guys. So, yeah, me love me surprise, guys. So, you send me surprise, but yes, I did surprise. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like,
share,
comment,
subscribe,
tell a friend,
tell a friend, we are out.
We are out.